What is going on, guys? It's JJ Movies here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to tell you how to download Sony Vegas Pro 15 for free. So I'm just going to click on it now and show you that it's all up there, it's all real, it's running, and it is for free. So let's load it up. I'm going to talk you step by step how to get it, what to download, and I'll tell you the links in the description and everything else. So it fully works and it's actually really amazing. It runs really smooth. So here we go. We're loading up. So this is Sony Vegas Pro. It all works, no watermarks, no nothing. So it's all working. As you can see, you can do everything. So let's start. So first you're going to want to go to the internet and you're going to want to go to this link, which will be in the description. It'll be the first link. Just click download. We'll click download. I'll download it again just for you guys' sake, which means I am going to have to uninstall it. I'll just put it in the recycling bin and clear it. Why not? So yeah, so just install the actual software. What I'll do is I'll skip this bit whilst it's installing and then you can see everything else. Right, okay, so after you've downloaded the actual Sony Vegas on the mega file, you're going to want to go to the second link and download Winrar. Okay, so you're going to want to click Winrar X65 or 64 or whichever your PC is better for. So whichever your PC is better for, click on either one, download it, and you'll get this software here. So you'll automatically, so if you click on your Vegas profile, the one with a couple of boops on, you're going to click on it and you'll get this. So you click this, and then you click this, and it'll download it, as so. Right, anyway, after you've downloaded it, you'll come up with this screen, so you'll click yes, and you wait. Then it'll come up with the setup. So obviously it's going to say for me it's already installed, so it'll come up with a little setup, you click English, you install it, there you go, and then you've got it straight away. So it should look just like the one I deleted, but apparently it's already installed, but I don't have it on here. Hang on, give me a second, I'll prove it. Sony, I know it's just Vegas 15, I think it said. There you go, Vegas Pro 15.0. That's what you should have. So if you go to that, you get it, you click on it, and it should load up just as so. So as I showed you at the start of the video, it'll load up like this. You've got it for free. So you don't have to do anything, you don't have to pay any money, even though it's a really expensive software. You've got it, there you go, done. So all the links will be in the description. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, and if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful. I'll see you in a bit, guys. Goodbye.